Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to clone applications on this device. So the most secure way to clone your applications is using private space. So let's open settings on your device and let's scroll and select section security and privacy. Now let's go down to privacy section, and in this privacy section you'll need to tap on private space. Now you need to verify your password. Let's press setup button. And after this you'll be prompted to sign in to your current Google account. So let me quickly do that. Okay, and after this you'll need to select who'll be using this device. I select I'll be using this device. Let's agree with all Google terms of service. And now you need to choose your lock type. So you need to select choose new lock to set up specific password that is entirely different from the code that you usually use to unlock your device. But you can of course stick to your current one so that you had two similar passwords to different spaces. And let's press done button. And now basically how you can find your private space. You can swipe up from the bottom, swipe up on your home screen like this, and now let's scroll all the way to the bottom until you find private section, and this is essentially your private space. And now finally, how to clone applications. You want to press this plus icon and let's press option install applications. You want to go to search bar and let's type for any application that you would like to have in your private space as second option, as second application on your device. Let's press install button, wait until it's installed. And additionally, one tip for you, this is completely optional, but just for the information, that if the application already exists on your main homepage, make sure to delete original copy from your main application drawer so that that application lives completely inside a locked private space. Of course, you can do that if you want to hide your application, but if you want to have just cloned application in your private space, then there's no need to delete original copy from your main home screen. Now let's tap OK button, and then you want to log into your new application. That will be your second one. So as you can see here, I have two Facebooks. This is my regular one and this is from my private space, because you can see their private space icon. Okay, and as well you can find it right here in the private space section. And of course you can press lock button so that private space was hidden like this. So that is basically it. And I forgot to mention that those two applications will be completely independent, and you can use two different accounts for both your main profile and your private space profile. So that's it. That's how you can clone applications using your Google Pixel 10 Pro device. And if this video was helpful for you, please leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.